All right, there we go. I'm down here in Fernandina Beach, checking it out. Doing a little bit of exploring today. Nice and beautiful down here. Yeah. It looks like that they just fixed that. Got a little beach right there. Nice. You still got rocks down there too?
Look at the turtle.
Turtle?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there we go. Look at him.
Oh, they got plenty there.
Another turtle?
Yeah, right here.
Look at him.
Come on, baby.
Look at him.
Uh-huh.
Where's another one? You see another one?
You go under the...
You went up on already? Oh, okay. There he is. Swimming through there. There we go. Yeah, it's like low tide or tide's going out. This is nice though. I like it. Gotta explore to catch fish, right? Yeah, they did some major work on this. It's like this has been built or remodeled, something like that. Call it. Oh, okay. You got a little bit of walkway down there where you can fish from the land if you wanted to. That's nice.
And a little bit somber there.
Huh?
A little bit somber.
Yeah. That's what I was saying. Right there.
Wow.
Bird there. You see a lot of manatee come over here too. Good place for manatee. But with the tide being the way it is, I don't think we're probably not going to see none today, but that would be nice if we did. Huh, they should have some, was that an old boat or something? Used to be sunken boat or something like that?
Yeah.
That's what it looked like. Something like that, or, well, actually it's a concrete, maybe an old bridge, part of an old bridge or something. Yeah. See, caution, manatee area. See, like that. Down there. What was that? There it is, mullet. There go that mullet. Jump, mullet. I hear ya. It was mullet. Jumping. Nice. That's good that we got some stuff moving. Huh? Nice. Well, we found another area that we can hang in. And they got docks here too, real close. So they said they got bass down here. I don't know what did that right there. You know what? You can probably drop some baskets down there for crabbing. Haven't seen none yet, but it looks like it's pretty deep. Might be able to catch some sheephead down there. Yeah. Huh? They even got a light down here. There we go. Current moving pretty good. Oh, somebody put pole holders there, huh?
Oh, somebody fishing here.
Yeah, somebody put pole holders there.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
A lot of them down there.
A lot in here. You can fish in here.
Oh yeah, you can fish here.
All the way around.
It's not bad at all. Not bad at all. Look at that. This is a nice quiet place to come and relax. Oh yeah, people have been putting these up there. Or did you think the state put them up there? Could be.
Oh, somebody leave the hooks in here.
Oh yeah?
They got big hooks.
Yeah, they did. They forgot about it. Them numbers, it's like 3 aughts. 3 aughts.
Oops, sorry.
Somebody trying to catch a redfish. So you got docks all over around here. That'd be good for trying to throw them against bass and crappie. Yeah. I would think.
That means they have big fish in there.
Oh yeah, you use no big old hooks. Absolutely. Big reds. Now I wish I had brought some shrimp. It's not bad at all. And the weather's nice as well. Yeah. Weather's nice. So come out and walk the dog. Yeah, that's a little deeper than it looks. Yeah, it's a little deeper than it looks. I think that tide is going out. Maybe going out. I think somebody got crab traps out, hun. Right there. Might have crab traps out.
Yeah, somebody leave it. You can fish in there.
Hmm?
You can fish.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And just like you said, they go to the little beach over there. You can fish off that beach too.
The last people coming in.
Oh yeah. Probably quite a few people out here on the weekend.
That's the trap.
Huh?
It's the trap.
Where? It's a crab trap, aren't they? Yeah, that's what I kind of figured too. Crab traps. Oh, that's good. You can come out here, put a pole in the water, drop a crab trap down here on the side like that. As long as you have your fishing license. You gotta have a fishing license. Yep. The proper fishing license. To be on the safe side, I think I will have my saltwater and freshwater fishing license if you're gonna keep freshwater fish, just in case you hook a bass or something like that. I will have both. Yeah, I will have both. Just in case. Just in case. That's interesting though, that barge right there though. Yeah. What you see over there?
Clear water.
Yeah, it's nice and clear, close to the shore. When you got a little deeper, it's kind of like that. So when it's dirty a little bit, you know what's out there? Catfish. I like it. Wow, it's not bad. Not bad at all. You got plenty of benches to sit down. It's nice and quiet during the week. Today is Friday and hardly nobody's here. Nobody's here. And it's not that long of a drive from Jacksonville. You figure it's on about what, 40 minutes? About the same distance from 103rd to Mayport. So it's not that bad. Once you get drive out the first time, figure out where it is, it's not bad. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Look like they got plenty of walking trails too. I like that. Get my walk on. Rocks right here by the walkway right here. So if you're gonna fish, you gotta throw out a little bit further from the rocks. Yep, they got one boat ramp. I don't see no other one, just this boat ramp right here. And you can't fish from the pier. Cannot. But they have a nice steep ramp. It's not bad. It's beautiful out here though. Take a look at it. Look around. Look at it. Look how big that is. It's nice. It's nice. I think it's brackish water, and they said that they catch bass and something. I have freshwater fish too, so it's got a variety of fish that you can catch. Plenty of trees for shade. Chill out. Yeah. Not a hard drive at all. Straight from the expressway. Get on 295 north and come straight over. Not bad. Yep. No fishing from the dock, but this is the boat dock, the boat ramp right here. Pretty steep, pretty nice, right? And you have the boat ramp pier. Be respectful. Boat docking area only. Do not park your vehicle there, man. Nice. Out there. You can't fish from that dock out there because that's for boats. Boats only. Boats only. But this little fence line go all about another 100, 150 yards down the way. Nice little, what they call, picnic areas. Chairs to sit down and just chill. I like that. You and your honey can come out and just sit down and chill and look, watch the water. Yeah. Got plenty of parking. Absolutely. I like it. I like it a lot. We're gonna walk over to the picnic area so you guys can see that. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. It's a pretty big, almost like lake, river, right? This is St. John's, you know. Yeah. Awesome. Nice little walkway there, walk path. But like I say, you can go all the way down to the end over there. But this tells you something about it, huh? There we go. Nice. It's not bad. Like I said, got plenty of places to sit. Got these little gazebos type deal where you can sit and chill out and maybe cook if you wanted to. I like it. I like it. Yeah, let's check this out. We got, oh, this is nice and shaded too. This is nice. And little grills. Yeah. Pretty nice. Nice place to come and walk and visit and chill. Throw a fishing pole out there on the side of the rail. There you go. Come over here and cook. Cook a little bit. Oh, there goes a squirrel. There goes a squirrel. There's a squirrel. There goes a squirrel. Look at him. Look at that squirrel. Look at that squirrel. There you go, buddy. Just for you hunters out there, there's no honey. No, the squirrels. Don't even try it. There we go. Nice little walkway. Oh, wow. Look at this. This is awesome. Nice play area for the kids. Well, those that are kids in heart as well. There you go. Nice. This is nice. Mm-hmm. Plenty of grassy areas to hang out. I love the way they got these benches set up. You have benches everywhere. If you want to sit down and chill, there you go. There you go. This is nice. This is nice. There you go. There you go. I think these are white oaks, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not sure. I'm not a tree guy, but I'm going to say these are white oaks. I could be wrong. You guys let me know what that is in the comments. It's white oaks or what? Nice. I think it's nice. Okay. Walk back around this way. What is this? There you go. Oh, nice. There you go. Oh, I saw a walk. I did see a pathway through this way. Let's go through this way. A little woodsy area here, a little bit. multiple trails that you can walk. I like it. What? Like a bus. Come pick up people. They have it out here too. Isn't that nice? Nice clean facilities for using the bathroom. Gotta love that. Oh yeah. There we go right there. And there's a sign on it that said, do not climb the building. Who would want to climb the building? Wow, gophers, tortoises, snakes, skinks, skunks. What the heck? Possums, armadillos, river otter, blue jays, woodpeckers, all type of birds. Nice. I don't see nothing but panther, which is a good thing. Nice. Parking lot over there. Nice parking lot. We've got parking for boats and individual vehicles, so you don't have to worry about that. That's awesome. Nice clean bathrooms too as well. Come out and just enjoy the quiet, peacefulness. Nice little walk. Just like I said, it's only a 45 minute drive from Jacksonville. Can't beat it. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Got a little exit back to the parking lot right there. There you go. We'll go down here a little bit further. Check it out. Oh, this is nice. You hear the occasional boat out there on the river. Cars passing by. Out there on the highway, not too far from here. But it's nice. Little pathways are paved, which is pretty cool. If you got a bicycle, you can ride a bicycle down here through here, which is nice. I see like some people went off the trail, off the main course, and there are little small individual trails going a little further into the park. Nice. Nice, nice. Today was just a recon mission to see how nice it is. You can bring the boat down, maybe do some fishing. Yeah, you can check it out. Absolutely. But I would recommend coming down here and just bring the family, have a good day. Maybe do a little cooking, a little fishing. Yeah. Can't beat that with a stick, huh? Getting away for half a day or whatever, come out, fire up the grill down there. Now, it didn't say whether you had to reserve a grill or anything like that, but it got a few grills out there. Nice parking spaces. Should be good to go. Yep. Another pathway to the playground. There you go. She couldn't help it. She went and got her a fishing pole. Did you got a fishing pole? You got a fishing pole? Oh, that's a stick. You been running?
Yeah.
Oh, how was it?
I went to the trail.
Oh, you ran the trail?
Yeah, go that way.
Okay, good. Nice. I've been walking around, videoing the park a little bit. Yeah.